Welcome back, great subscribers, to Vampire TV today. Now for today's Hamster Kombat mini game, let's get the key. Remember to pay attention and watch it slowly as I mention it as we play it so that you get the key for the 8th day of August 2024. Now let's begin slowly. Now the first candle to move is the short green candle below. Move it backward, slide it to the left. Yes, and now the next candle to move is the red one below. Yes, and now slide the long green candle all the way forward. Yes, and now slide the short red candle below all the way up and slide the short green candle forward. Now it's time to slide the short red candles, the two. Yes, bring it down. And the next candles to slide now is the long green candle at the middle, the long one. Slide it all the way backward, slide it to the left. Yes, now the next move is to make now is the short red candle at the center. Bring it down. Yes, and now it's time to move the green candle at the top. Slide it forward, and now slide the red up too and pull the key all the way forward, and now the green, and pull up the red. Now slide the green, the two green candles below, slide them forward and pull down the red so that you bring the key forward and pull the red down, the short red candle above. Pull it down, the ones at the back of the key, bring them down so that you slide the long green candle and pull the red candle up so that the key can pass.